like to leave some water inside. I don't. We are cooking corn and beans, so I want to take you guys along. Please come and cook with me and learn how to prepare this delicious meal with me. I love what you are doing. So if you are not decided by doing what is what? So guys, this is the corn we'll be using to prepare our beans. This is the fresh corn. I will show you guys the inside. The corn is very fresh. So wow, so fresh. I got this corn from the farm. One woman said it to me today. So this is what we'll be doing today. This is the corn I got today. It's very fresh. I would like to cook some more. I don't want to use all of them. You know, the beans, it's not much big like that. So we'll be using this 4 of it and take the less out. So I'll be removing it from this brace now. It's not easy, but we do it. So this is the corn. So guys, this is the fresh corn we'll be using for the beans. You can see, so I want to remove it from this brace now. So let's do it together. So guys, it's very easy. So since you've done your 2-step verification, fine. It's very easy to peel the corn out. Just open a small side and you'll be doing it like this, gradually. And you see, it's very easy. So let's be doing it until you get it out. So guys, this is the bean, this is the corn. I have washed them, I have washed it thoroughly. So this is it. So let's go and pour inside the beans and start cooking our porridge. So guys, we have add the beans. After I add the beans now, I will add my corn. So this is my corn. After I add my corn, you can see it so clear. I will soon add my. Thank you. So guys, I have added the corn. Let's add water. The water that can cook everything. So I've added my water. Let's turn it. I did not cook the beans. I just warmed the beans. I warm it and remove the first water. So I wash it very well and put it in the pot. After that, I pour into my corn I did not cook corn for the first time. I just put it because before the beans will be done, the corn will also be done. So I'll be adding my onions inside the beans and the corn. After that, I'll add my onions. I'll add my crayfish and the pepper. So this is my pepper and crayfish. So I'll be adding my cube. So I'll add everything now. Let all of them start cooking. So guys, this is my cube. I'm adding my cube. After adding my cube, I'll add the lead oil inside. So I like oil very well in my food though. So let me add a little bit. Oh no, the cold is is too much, so the oil is dripping. That one is okay. So after that, you add salt. I have not add my salt. This is my salt. I'll be adding all this salt inside. After I add that, I'll wash my fish. I'll be adding fish. So guys, this is my fish. So I've add my fish. I'll leave it like this. I'll not turn it. I'll allow it to cook before I turn it. So that is it. And they have other variations of this game called Smart. So guys, let's check our beans. This is it cooking. Let me check if there is salt. But I did not check it before. Everything is okay. Let's allow it to cook. The taste is yummy. So guys, let's check our beans and corn. Wow, wow, the beans is done as you are seeing it. It's looking yummy, yummy. Everything is done, both the corn and the beans. So I like. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you will love to try it, please let me know in comment section, and please don't forget to drop where you are watching from. Thank you.